Sheep meat, commonly referred to as lamb or mutton, is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a stew, sheep meat is known for its tender texture and rich, gamey flavor. In this essay, I will explore the various ways that sheep meat can be prepared and cooked, as well as how to calculate the calories in each dish. Roasted lamb. Roasted lamb is a classic dish that is often served as a centerpiece for festive occasions. The lamb is seasoned with herbs and spices, such as rosemary and garlic, before being roasted until the skin is crispy and the meat is tender. A typical serving of roasted lamb contains around 300 to 400 calories. Grilled lamb. Grilled lamb is a popular dish in many Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines. The lamb is marinated in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices, before being grilled over an open flame until it is cooked through. A typical serving of grilled lamb contains around 200 to 300 calories. Lamb stew. Lamb stew is a hearty and comforting dish that is often made with root vegetables and aromatic herbs, such as thyme and bay leaves. The lamb meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to the stew. A serving of lamb stew contains around 300 to 400 calories. When calculating the calories in each dish, it is important to consider the cooking method, the portion size, and any additional ingredients that are used. For example, a serving of roasted lamb that is paired with potatoes or gravy will have a higher calorie count than a simple serving of grilled lamb. In addition to the various ways sheep meat can be prepared, there are also many side dishes and accompaniments that pair well with lamb. Here are some examples. Roasted vegetables. Roasted vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, and Brussels sprouts can complement the rich flavor of lamb meat. Couscous or rice. Couscous or rice is often served as a side dish with lamb, particularly in Mediterranean and North African cuisines. Mint sauce. A mint sauce, made with fresh mint, vinegar, and sugar, can add a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the lamb meat. Salad. A light salad can provide a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the lamb meat. Red wine. A full-bodied red wine, such as a Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot, can pair well with lamb dishes. It is also important to note that sheep meat is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12. However, it is also high in fat and calories, so it is best to enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By pairing sheep meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this flavorful ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. In conclusion, sheep meat is a versatile and flavorful ingredient that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a stew, sheep meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to any dish. By pairing sheep meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this delicious ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. Roasted lamb is a classic and elegant dish that is often served for special occasions or as part of a fine dining experience. Here are some more details about roasted lamb. Preparation. The first step in making roasted lamb is to prepare the lamb.